Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch Z55 Ultra. First, make sure your Z55 Ultra is fully charged. This ensures a smooth setup process. Next, download the official companion app to your smartphone. You can usually find it by searching for the watch model in your app store. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your phone and ensure it is discoverable so your watch can be found easily. This initial preparation is key for a successful connection. Once your watch is charged and the app is installed, open the companion application on your phone. You might need to create an account or login. Within the app, look for Add Device or Pair New Device to begin. Your phone will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Select your Z55 Ultra from the list that appears to initiate pairing. Confirm any prompts on both your watch and phone to complete the process. After selecting your Z55 Ultra, you will receive a pairing request on both your smartwatch and phone. Accept these prompts on both devices to establish the connection. The app will then ask for various permissions, like access to notifications or health data. Grant these for full functionality. To confirm success, check if the watch face updates or if you start receiving notifications on your Z55 Ultra. You should also see a connected status within the app. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common fix is to simply restart both your smartphone and your Z55 Ultra smartwatch, then try pairing again. Also, ensure that your watch isn't already connected to another device, as this can prevent a new connection. Sometimes, resetting the watch to factory settings can resolve persistent problems. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. These steps should help you get your Z55 Ultra connected and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.